Blends. A consonant blend is a combination of two or more consonants where each letter's sound can be heard.
Common blends. BL makes the sound blur. BR makes the sound br. CL makes the sound cl. CR makes the sound cr. DR makes the sound dr. SN makes the sound snr. SP makes the sound spur. ST makes the sound stir. SW makes the sound swir. FL makes the sound flr. FR makes the sound fr. GL makes the sound glr. TR makes the sound tr. FT makes the sound ftr. SL makes the sound slur. SM makes the sound smr. BL, bloom. Blend. BR, bricks. Branch. CL, clock. Clip. CR, crab. Crow. DR, drum. Drill. SN, snail. Snake. SP, spoon. Spider.